RB's Business Research Academy welcomes to you in another video lecture on citation and reference guide in AP style part 2. Before this one, my part 1 is available on the same topic where I discuss about the difference between the reference, citation, and bibliography, and I also introduce you the different type of the reference style like the APA, MLA, Chicago, and all these one. And after this one, you're looking here, the image. That means that in this video, I have discussed about the how to select the citation style, how to insert citation for new source, how to insert citation for existing source, and how to edit source, and then how to insert the bibliography reference list in the in your text. So these things I have discussed in this video. So let us start our this practical video. So, dear friends, here you are looking another image where different three very much popular referencing tools are there, or softwares are there, like the EndNote, Mendeley, and the Zitorio. So all these are not free. You have to pay for all these one, even though if you are going to select a basic version for that one. So all these are not the free. For everything you have to pay. So now what's free? Now here the MS Word is also providing the tool where you can create a citation and reference free of the cost. So in this way, how you can create these type of the free of the cost? That's very easy. Just go into the reference, and then in the reference you will see here the citation and bibliography. This is our like this citation and bibliography. So now this section will help you how to create the citation as well as a reference for your text. So okay, now here you're looking at one. So now here you're looking at one sentence from the early research to business setup. So now this sentence I have borrowed from somewhere else. So now it is necessary for me that I should provide the acknowledgement of this its author. If you are not going to for the acknowledgement of that author, then it will be considered that it is my own one. So definitely when the similarity index will be similarity of this one will be checked in the Turnitin or another software, then definitely there will be the plagiarism. So now you know this plagiarism is a very serious issue among the academicians. So most of the universities, they say zero tolerance for the plagiarism. So it's better to avoid the plagiarism. How to avoid the plagiarism? By giving the citation and reference by now this is the way to acknowledge the someone's work. So here this tool is a free of the cost where you can provide the acknowledgement or where you can create the citation and reference free of the cost. Now how to create? That's very easy again. So everything start from your cursor. So it is very important to keep the cursor at the right place. So otherwise there will be the problem. So now I want to create my citation over here. So that's why you see the my cursor is there. So now what to do? To first go into the citation and add new source. When you open it, several options will be open here like the journal article, book section, art, electronic source, document from a website, sound recording, interview, film. So many things are in this one, but we are focusing only right here on the journal article. Okay, so now several like the fields are given in this one. So the first key field is our author. So now we have to write down the author. Now you're looking here in the red color. This is already reference which I have given here. Like somewhat the same as like the reference I want to create of the same one. So now I have to give it the name of the author. Yes, I have given the name of the author, and then I have to write the name of the title. So now I have written the name, the title of this research paper, and now I have to provide the journal name. So now the journal name has been written here, and then the year. And then I'm writing the page number 321 to 335. Okay. And then for rest of the field, you will have to check here, put the check here that the rest of the field will be open. Now see, there are so many fields out there. So according to the according to the source, whatever the source which you are selecting, according to the type of the source, the field will be will be adjusted, will be changed. And then we have to go in the volume. Here is our volume number 6 and number 1 are issue number 1. So everything I have inserted. Now just I press OK. So when I press OK, oh, our citation has been created. Okay, but I think there is a one problem I have missed to provide the year. So now how to provide the year? Then very easy. Just press here and then check it here. Edit citation. The citation will be edited, but we have not to edit the citation, but we have to edit source. Click it, the source will be open, and here you can provide the year 1961 and then press OK. So now you're looking. Now that means that do you want to update their list? The change? Yes, we want to update it. Now the document has been updated. Now the name of the author as well as year has been available over here in the citation. So now this citation is exactly according to the APA style. Now a citation has been created, but we do not know where our reference is there. Then very easy to locate your reference. Just go into the bibliography and then reference. Just click the reference will be appear. Now your reference is over here. So Maclean and now. So now this reference is again in the APA style. Now, if you compare this reference with this reference, now some difference are there. Like the volume 20, number 5. So here volume and number has been missing because this one is another style, referencing style, and this one is an APA style. So now if you want to change its style, that's very easy. Just select or put the cursor inside this one and then go into the APA and then press the Chicago. You will see accordingly your reference has been changed. Harvard, again the reference has been changed, and then Thorabin, again this reference has changed. In the same way, our citation has also been changed. So now we have to work on the APA style. So that's why our everything is on APA style. Okay. Now if you put cursor, something is there. Now it is in the block. So now if you want to make some changes, you can change it, but now there's no need of the change. That's why we have to use this one. Convert citation to static text. If you click it, then it will be converted into the text. Now you can make some changes in it. It's very easy. Okay. So now our reference has been generated over here. Now we are going another one. So here there are the two authors. Now when there are two authors, then how to fill this one? Edit source and then come down as okay. Now this is our reference which you want to insert in this one. Journal article again. Now here there are the more than one author. Then it is good to go into the edit and then write down the name of your author. Yosef and M. Okay, 8 and then Jane. And then again Jane, okay, and edit. Now you say it's the first author, then so now it's here. But if you want to change it, if you want to change its order, then it's very easy. Up and down, its order will be changed accordingly. And then just press OK. So now the both are given here. Now then you have to write the title. Okay, our title has been inserted, and now the name of the journal. Now the name of journal has also been entered. And then a year. The year is at 210 and the pages 81 to 96. And then further fields we are also required. Then click here, the further field will open. And now just go into the volume. Our volume is 6 and our issue is 1. Okay. So now what? Just press OK. And then the citation will be, oh, citation has been here because we have made one mistake, because it was very much necessary for us to put our cursor over here, like here. We wanted to put our citation here. So now again, we have the mistake, but again, this is a correctable mistake. We can correct it, no problem. Now what? So now it's very easy to convert it into the text statistic, and then it has been converted, and then you can copy it. You can copy it from here, and then you can paste it at your where you want. Okay, and now in this way, our citation is complete. Now we have to find out our what our reference. So now again, go into the bibliography, same process, and click it. You are looking at the Joseph and Jane KK. So now your reference has been generated according to the API style. So now the first one, which already we worked on that one, this is another one. Okay, now we want working on another one. Now here we have to work on in this one. Okay, first we should put the cursor at the right place. Our cursor is right place, and this time we are working. This is probably a one report. Okay, so now same thing is going to the inside and then paste. And this is the website. Okay, click it and go into the website. From the website, I say, but so now website is there. Now we have to write down that Jane is the the author, and then name of the web page is the global interpretation monitor is our name of our author, and the name of the website is okay, in which year it was accessed in the and the month it was January, and probably it was the 14th January. Okay, here we have to write down the URL www.url.org. So some things we have to change from here. So almost all the required fields have been provided over here. And then just press OK. Now you are looking at the JAME 22 has been, its citation has been generated, and now its reference. Now its reference has also been generated. That means the JAME, which was accessed on the 14th January, Global Interpretation Monitor retrieved from the Global Interpretation Monitor and its .org website address. Okay, in this way you can do. Now another thing is that when you have the multiple author, more than two author, what to do right in this regard? First of all, press the cursor at right place, then go into the citation, and then again a new source. Okay, now go into the edit and provide the names, first name, last name, and the first name and middle name. Okay, then 8, go for next one. Now probably all the name you can change its ascending, its order, either maybe ascending, whatever order you may follow here. Okay, we provided all the names. Now if you want to change the order, you can change over here. Just okay, and then write down the okay, we have to change from here general article. Okay, so now the title, we should provide the title, and now the general name. Okay, the name has been given, right? The year is also given, page number 2892-302. We are also required to insert the more field, and then we have to go into the volume 14 and 3. Volume is 14 and issue is 3. And then we have also go to the DOI, digital object identifier. So now the same we have right here. Okay, we have also provided the DOI. Now just press OK. Now you're looking at our citation has been generated, and accordingly we have to go for the bibliography, and then the bibliography is also available here. Okay, now bibliography in the reference has been also generated. You are looking here, the complete reference is there, and the references, 4 references have been generated free of the cost. Insert so many references at the end of the like the way you are writing the reference, the list of the reference will be updated as you are increasing the citations. So citation will be generated where your cursor is located at the end of the your document. In the reference field section, all the reference will be automatically generated over there as you go. Okay, so one more thing which I forget to discuss, that's about the managed citations. So this is a managed citation. If you make any problem, not the problem, but if you make any mistake, like in this one, I made mistake. So now you can edit this one here. In this way, you can edit according if you have make any mistake, just press OK, and then accordingly this will be generated. Okay, now after pressing the OK, whatever the changes you have incorporated in your document, those after incorporating, now the image, the preview of this one will be will appear over here. If you think that this preview of the citation and the reference is okay, then you can close it. Otherwise, if you think even some changes you want to perform, you want to incorporate in this one, you can do. Otherwise, close it, and accordingly your document will be adjusted. Okay. At the end, thank you very much for watching this video. I'm sure that you will like it, you will subscribe my channel, and you will also share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.